now it's 1 minute. Hey guys, happy 4th. We're about to film our Antioch fireworks show with my family and my friend. It's gonna be epic. It'll be happening in probably a minute. Hi, Linnea.
Where am I? Oh, actually getting kind of scary, bro.
It's not that scary. Come on.
I'm literally standing right now.
Come on, light the fireworks now. Come on.
What are all these rocks? I shot that. That's a question.
There's the barge all the way over there with the 2
bridge.
poles sticking out.
It's like, Jack.
Huh?
These things have like metal things going through. That means this is built by humans.
Yeah, it
So where
was.
does this come from?
It used to be old building remedies from like back in the days when Antioch was older. It used to be parts of old buildings.
And they just do it here.
Okay, now it is 9:15. They should be starting soon.
No, it's still moving.
It should be getting prepared soon.
I think that's a cop though, right?
Yeah. Yeah, to make sure everything's safe.
There's probably more that we can't see right now. You know what I mean? Whoa, the water's getting kind of scary. Can you see the water like pushing at us right now?
Yeah, but it's fun.
I know it's fine. I know that.
Can we start in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1? Did I call it?
Nope.
Nope. Dang it.
I'm pausing again.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1? Oh, wait.
I see how many fireworks that are just on that ship.
Oh.
Let's go. No, I kind of want to get my phone back.
Here.
Wait, can I see your camera? Oh, camera? Yours is like really like into the like
Yeah.
shape of the river.
Come on, get into position and light those
I
fireworks.
don't see the difference between mine and your camera. They're about the same.
Mine
Yours
collects
is
more
more raw.
light. Mine collects more light.
Probably.
Don't worry, it'll
Mine does
happen.
actually.
Oh, you made it
It's not
more.
faster.
It looks like it's still daytime again.
It does actually.
What the heck?
I can change it. Oh, wait.
Woo!
Yeah, this is a lot better. This is gonna be another one. Wait, what? If I go over there, you can't. Oh, I got. Oh my god, I wasn't recording. Wow. Shit, wow. Oh wow. Those are really bad.
Woo!
Happy 4th of July.
Yep.
The way I said it.
Dang.
Look at that one. I'm not going to left. I'm staying right there, bro. Never mind. They're not doing it.
Bro, it's almost 9:20, dude, and they still haven't lit them off.
It's probably not doing like sad. Probably like 9:30. What are you guessing?
Maybe. That police boat is just like circling that thing.
I'm wondering like
Bro, look at all the people out on their boats, dude.
it's like 1, 2. Oh, it's gonna start.
Please start in
It's gonna
5.
go small, and at the end it's gonna be big, right?
Yeah, I know, yeah.
The big bad buddy. The big bad buddy. I'm just gonna wait to record when the show starts. I better hold it tight because if it scares me, I might drop my phone. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. What would you do if you dropped your phone?
I try to get it as quick as I can.
Well, what if it went in the water?
And mine is waterproof, so I'll probably be able to grab it really quick. Oh, look, it's turning. Look at that. Look, you see how it's turning? It wasn't sideways anymore. Can you notice that? Can you notice that?
See it. Holy crap. It's like
That's the engine. That's the engine. They will. Come on, tugboat. Is it just me or is it getting closer?
Why is it going?
It's getting it an angle, I believe.
Maybe because they wanted to put it out.
Sorry for the long video of absolutely nothing, but
Dude, unpause it and redo it, man.
oh yeah, here,
Don't delete it.
here. We'll get you back when the show starts. Fireworks show starting! Woo! Heck yeah! Just record the sky.
Wow.
Woo! These fireworks are big, man. They'll get better, don't worry. Woo. We got the best fireworks show in Antioch. We got the best fireworks show ever. Do you hear that? Do you hear how loud they are when they go out the tubes? Woo. Oh my. You know, Krush, if you spot the shapes, you can find shapes in the fireworks.
I know.
Like smiley faces.
I'm waiting for. I think we saw one just now.
Yeah, it was a smiley face. Oh my. Woo! That was cool.
Huge. I have to keep backing up.
Yeah. Dude, some of them are so loud and so quiet.
It looks so much better when you're actually looking at it with your eyes.
Yeah. But it's alright though.
Because the human body has five.
I still-
Whoa.
Those are called like UFOs or like flying comets or whatever.
I love that.
The ones that go so high.
Dang, you can see the smoke just whirring. You see that?
What the Sigma?
Yeah, I can see sparks in the water, bro.
Yeah. Yeah.
No wonder those are illegal. Imagine you do that in your house and the sparks just
Whoever gave these fireworks to these people, they like, I'm gonna put you on.
Did they though?
Nah, I'm joking. I don't even know.
I think this is funded by Antioch.
Specially made fireworks.
Imagine it was just like 2 fireworks shots. And they were like, okay, show's over. I would be like, dude, I could see big, fat sparks.
Yeah. Oh, that one's going so high. Oh yeah. The waterfall. Look, dude, the waterfall.
Oh, the waterfall.
Yeah, you can sit right there. Or on that one, right next to it.
Oh, you got a good wide angle, dude.
It's because I turned my phone like this. Isn't that
Yeah.
worse?
Oh yeah, true.
Because then that way you can see the ships too. But the horizon is just so much more natural. The fish are probably leaving and going to the ocean. So we'll be catching more fish. They just keep going. They don't even stop. They could just stop making noise. I'm not sure. All the animals are looking at us and they're like, what the heck? Humans are gods. It's like humans are the ones that are...
For real.
No monkey can ever do that. Unless you want to be.
Okay, bro. Oh wow, those ones are big.
Those are wide ones. Oh wow. That's better when you see it in person. Wow, it had like an after shot. Two are going up. Three actually.
Oh, smiley face, you saw that?
I saw that smiley face. How are they lighting them up so fast? I think they're automatically like it's a
No, they're all connected by fuses. They're all connected by fuses.
Would you want to be on that boat?
Hell yeah, I would.
What if we got a chance?
I'd go on there in a heartbeat. I'd go on there in a heartbeat, dude.
I think the way they made the smiley faces, they sent off 3 of them. 3 fireworks, and one of them made the circle, and one of them made the eyes. And one of
Have you ever noticed something odd about the shaped ones? The shaped ones always tend to be louder than the normal ones. Have you noticed that?
Yeah. Actually, those are kind of loud. Those are fast. Wow, on the phone it's just so concentrated.
Oh my
On the
god.
phone it's just so concentrated.
Damn. Dude, these things go insane, bro.
It's amazing how many sparks are just falling down.
Yeah. You know some of the firework also falls down too, right?
So what? Like the papers and that?
No, the sparks, like the colored sparks fall in the water sometimes.
I know. Isn't that what I just said?
Yeah. Oh, that one's exploded early.
Yeah. No wonder you're supposed to do this over the ocean. Dude, I keep seeing sparks just going around. Dude, we missed out last year. I was all the food in there, celebrating all the fireworks to make up for it.
Yeah. Woo.
It's amazing how they're so small, but they blow up so big.
Yeah.
I wish my audio could work on my phone.
These are bigger fireworks than usual, dude.
Yeah, that's why they're...
Dang.
Wait, what happened to my phone died? Holy shit, my phone just died. It didn't save the video.
Hey, you'll be able to get to watch it on my YouTube channel.
I'm gonna get an extra view. Whoa, look at the water. Actually, see
And plus, you said the fireworks are better to see with your own eyes, so why not enjoy it?
my hand was actually dirty. That was the loudest one we've heard so far.
No.
Yes, it is. Well, from the show. Right?
Those ones that make that exact shape are always so loud.
No, that one was louder. I'm just talking about the show, not like when we saw it in your neighborhood. That was
Yeah.
think they're doing the loud ones now.
It'll get better soon.
Oh, that one. You saw that one?
What?
They
Yeah.
didn't make it. They didn't make it.
No, they're
No, I saw it. We're up and go
the
down.
fireworks take so much power that some of the paper falls off and it catches on fire, and then it flies out the tubes. Yeah, trust me.
I bet.
I watch firework
That's
videos.
logical.
I watch firework videos every day, almost every day. Oh, it's a
Those are better. Those are better.
it's a competition now, huh?
Yeah.
Karush, don't miss out.
Dude, those are way. Wait, I can't.
No, they're not. These ones are way bigger and better, dude. What are you talking
those,
about?
The color on those ones are like. Oh, never mind. That one's.
Yeah, that one's cool. Look, there's really big ones.
Wait,
Wait.
that one's gonna go. That was a slower one. That one didn't make any noise. That one.
This is now where it gets better.
Look how big it is.
This is now where it
How do
gets
we know
better.
when it's a big bad body?
They'll start lighting it off.
Oh, big bad body. This is big bad body. Is this big bad body? Is it?
I don't know.
Is it the big
You'll notice.
bad body?
You'll notice.
I know. It's gonna
You'll
go
notice.
crazy. I remember that last time we just flew everything. Was just like, that big bad body. My phone is. Oh god, that stuff's like going by the islands. You can see that it's actually going like close to like the other side.
Yeah, close. Oh, I like those ones.
That big bad body. Bro, I sound so weird for this, but it's the big I'm waiting for that big bad body, bro. Body, bro.
I like the sounds when it comes out of the tubes, like thump, like that.
Boom. Oh, boom. Oh, those are actually colored ones going on the ground. Big.
Oh, that one went off early. That one went off
way
early.
too early.
That one went off early.
That one went off in the water, bro. Dude, those guys in the ship are probably getting paid right now. The light, it probably hit them. I feel like it's just remote control. I don't think anyone's even on there. Well, one person is control the ship. Okay, those guys are doing better than them right now. Never mind.
Oh, upside down smiley face.
Wow. Oh, wow. We have not seen big. We have, but not by.
Oh, they're getting better. They're getting better.
Big bad body.
They're getting better.
Big bad body.
Okay.
Get some slow motion.
Bro, my video's at 18 minutes. Almost at 19. Yeah. I'm recording so much.
That's so weird because mine was at like 4. And I started as soon as it began. Oh, because you did it before.
Bro, if you want your battery life to last longer, get a Samsung.
Yeah, Samsung's last one. I mean, I know my.
Trust me.
Yeah, but they take a longer to charge.
No, they don't. My phone charges in like an hour if it has a good charger on it. Dang. These fireworks are legit, man.
My iPhone charges in like 30 minutes. It's just because mine is an old one.
Bro, the captain of that tugboat is getting like the best view of these fireworks, bro.
Probably not, because they're like on top of it. He's probably getting scorched. They're probably hitting him in the face. I'm just kidding. But
He's in the deck, so it won't.
oh, and I can smell it. It's so funny.
You can smell it. I love the smell too.
Yeah, me too. I love sulfur. What is deadly?
Excuse me.
that big one went off way too early.
Yeah.
That was kind of scary. Dang, dude, that one had a cool side.
Dude, you can feel it in your dude.
Imagine the big one. Imagine the big one said Happy 4th of July.
You can feel it in your inner core of the vibration of the explosion. You can feel it.
Oh, that was earlier. Or no, actually.
This shit where we going.
I like the noise that was going. How do you make that noise? Oh, 3. 3 just went on. Oh, that was going crazy. The hatch just flew. Oh my god.
We'll be lighting off a bottle rocket later.
I love the
just to let you know, I might record that also. That's like the only firework that we have this year. Luckily, we found it. Yeah, we found it on the sidewalk. It was a lucky find.
On the sidewalk.
Yep.
What if it was a guy's firework? It was like, okay, I'm gonna hide it here and come back.
Double fireworks scene.
Sad, you stole someone's firework. Rest them in peace.
Oh, it's gone.
I know. Whoa. That was like a.
Oh, that's
peacock.
so loud. I love the thump, the thrill.
Whoa, this is a close one. Juicy sparks.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Imagine they sent out so many. There was like a huge fire on the ground.
Yeah.
And it hit us. Imagine like a spark.
Oh wait, now it's getting crazier. You can see how they're lighting off more.
How are you able to fit so many files in there?
Bro, look at that. They're touching the water.
Oh my god.
That's legit. Oh, look at they're still going. They're still going.
That's illegal. That's illegal. You cannot do that at your house. That thing's
No, but thank God this is on the water.
Yeah. That's why it's so much louder too.
Those are willows. Those are giant willows.
You see that like street coming out?
Yeah.
Sorry. As soon as it pops, it's a street. Like right there. Oh wow. The water's getting even left.
Oh my God.
Go Donald Trump.
Okay, Carew.
I mean, it's America, right? Go Biden.
Okay, bro.
I'm gonna get thrown in the river for safety.
Alright, stop. Don't say stupid stuff like that right now.
I know.
This will be going out to my family and stuff, okay? So.
I think the family's a fan of Biden, right? It's okay if they are. There's 3, 4. There were sparklers.
Dude, the jets in the sky and the planes, I can't imagine what they're seeing right now.
Oh my god. Or like if you're at one of those watchtowers. Oh.
Yeah.
Dude, the water's getting a lot more like you could hear it. God, if you on that boat, you can just sit down.
And
drink some hot
loud.
cocoa.
Yeah. Oh, it's getting good. It's getting good. It's getting good.
Yeah, big bad
Getting
body.
good.
Big bad
It's getting
body.
good.
Big bad body.
This is what we need right here, baby.
This is the big bad body. Big Bang Theory. No, it's actually Big Bang. This is Big Bad Body, right?
Oh, heck yeah.
The Big Bad Body. Sorry. Happy 4th, bro.